So look at episode 1. The stadiums that the Blizzard played in. Now there's only been one stadium we know that they played in, which is the Rush Center. They played through here since the beginning of their lead. Now, you might ask yourself, what about the attendance? What was the attendance for the Blizzard games throughout their years? Well, if you go to 2003, their record only got to a good old 2,953. Now, that was their beginning startings. Now, if you go 5 years later, 2008, they got themselves into 6,125 people attendance. They brought more people in. Now, up to 2021, attendance has been mild due to coronavirus. It's been normally around, if we have to go attendance, around 2,000 people can come to the game. They can't have a ton of people come to the games. Now, the reason they've been popular in 2008 was due to they were in the AF2 and they were a championship team. During the Indian Football League, they've had a couple of years of success. Now, why have they not been the success? Why it has been low during the last couple of years? Because during 2013 and 2018, they went in this playoff drought. We'll explain more into the team history portion.